Hey guys, today we're going to do the acid rain experiment. You're going to need a purple cabbage. You're going to need to grate the purple cabbage, boil some water, and pour the boiling water over the shredded purple cabbage in order to get your indicator solution. I've done this already, and so I actually have my cabbage juice here. You can see it's a beautiful blue. You're going to need to do this and leave this cabbage in the boiling water until it comes to room temperature. Then strain the shredded cabbage in order to get the juice that you'll need for this experiment. This has been sitting at room temperature for about an hour now. You're also going to need some white vinegar, baking soda, 4 glasses that you can label. I've already pre-labeled my glasses. You're going to need a buffered lake, unbuffered lake, buffered control, and unbuffered control glass. You'll also need a pipetter or a dropper of some sort. You'll be adding the acid or vinegar dropwise. You're going to need 1 tablespoon for the cabbage juice and 1/4 teaspoon for the baking soda. The first thing we'll do is add 1 tablespoon of cabbage juice to each of our 4 glasses. At this point, you're done with this cabbage juice, but save it just in case you need to redo the lab. Now we're going to take our baking soda and we're going to add 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda to the buffered lake and the buffered control glasses. So make sure you don't get your glasses mixed up. Mix this up real well. The lab directions call for 4 spoons as well, and you'll want to label those spoons in order to mix your glasses thoroughly. I don't have spoons right now, so I'm going to just shake these glasses until this is dissolved, and then we'll move on to the area where we're going to start dispensing our acid. Please note the color of the buffered lake and the unbuffered lake in your table for the 0 drops of acid. And now we're going to be adding 3 drops of acid to both the buffered lake and the unbuffered lake solutions. And then you'll note on your table the colors for the addition of 3 drops of acid. Now we will add 3 more drops of acid. Again, note the color of the buffered lake and the unbuffered lake for 6. Now we will add 3 more. So that would be 9 on your table. Noting the color changes as we go. 3 more. So we're at 12. Three more. So now that's 15 drops. Oops. This is why a spoon would be good. And obviously I'm using vinegar, so I don't have my gloves on. If this were actual hydrochloric acid, I would definitely be having gloves on. 3 more to make 18 drops. noting the color change, if any. We'll be adding 3 more drops for 21 drops. Let's see, let's get more. And then the last addition of 3 drops each to make 24 drops. And at this point you will note the final colors of your solutions. Here are the final solutions. Note the colors on your table once you're done for your lake solutions here. Buffered lake, unbuffered lake, buffered control, and unbuffered control.